Welcome to the Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to record your reels in fast speed on Instagram. So you're into recording reels and you want to record your reels in fast speed. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign to record a reel. Select reel from the bottom and then tap on camera. This will now take you into Reels recording screen. From here, you'll be able to create your reels. So as you can see at the top here, you see 1x. So basically in this mode, you'll be recording in normal speed. So for you to record in fast speed, go ahead and tap on this 1x. Once you do this, you'll get several options. You get 1/3, 1/2, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Anything that is greater than 1x, it'll basically record in a faster speed. So as an example, I'll go ahead and choose 4x. Now whatever I record, it'll basically speed it up 4 times. So to start recording, go ahead and press on the shutter button and hold it there. And now go ahead and show your motion. And then tap on next to preview it. And as you can see, the video is playing in 4 times speed. Now you can go ahead and add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post these reels to Instagram. So there you go. That is how to record your reels in fast speed on Instagram. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.